In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your crankshaft position sensor on your Ford Taurus. It's located on the passenger side below the serpentine belt towards the back of the engine. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Okay, so we are going to disconnect our connector. You're going to push down on that tab, and then gently pull up. Set that off to the side. Okay, so I'm going to reach down past the serpentine belt. And I'm going to reach for these bolts. You're going to use a 7mm socket and loosen them up. There's 2 of them. Before I completely loosen that, I'm going to go to my other bolt and crack that loose. And now I'm going to remove the bolts. And put that bolt off to the side. And remove the other one. Put that bolt off to the side as well. Now you're going to grab a hold of the sensor, pull it out. Alright, there's a guide on this part to know which hole to put the sensor in. You're going to want this facing down and the connector going up towards the alternator. And this guide's going to help you also. So you're going to have that on the right side if you're standing on the side of the engine. I'm going to press that in. Like that. And that holds it there while you get your bolt started. I'm going to start with my lower bolt first. Just hand tightening. We will be torquing this to 89 inch-pounds, both bolts. It's easier just to do it by hand first as far as you can go, since it's such a tight squeeze to get anything in there. Now we're going to place our second bolt in. And again, hand tightening. There we go. Okay, that one's snug. Now I'm going to go for the other one. Okay, so now we're going to get a torque wrench in there and torque it to 89 inch-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do your best. Make it a little more than wrist tight. Alright, now that you've torqued those down, you can connect your connector. Make sure it's lined up. Push it on. You should hear a click. If you don't, just check it by pulling on it. Make sure it's on there good. Good, ours is on. All right, now that that's connected, you can reconnect your battery and start her up and take it for a road test. You're gonna take your negative battery terminal and put it on. Push it down and use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight. Make sure it's not moving and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.